alarm system activated. DMS 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And lift off of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Mission to build, resupply, and to do research on the International Space Station. Vehicle there with 7 million pounds of thrust. So you know you go with those solid rocket booster light off, you know you're going somewhere and just hope it's not Disney World. Those solid rocket boosters burn for about 2 minutes and then they come off. You see the solid rocket boosters come off. They have parachutes, they come back into the Atlantic Ocean and get reused. So after the rest of the 8.5 minutes to orbit, we're just on the shuttle's 3 main engines here. And that's what's accelerating us up to 17,500 miles an hour, which is how fast we need to go to stay in orbit. So 17,500 miles an hour is 5 miles a second. You get up there into space, the engine's cut off. We don't need this external fuel tank anymore, so we get rid of this external fuel tank, and it burns up coming back in through the atmosphere, and remnants end up in the Indian Ocean. Butch Wilmore, our pilot, we got this video camera out as soon as we got to space, started shooting pictures of everybody. You can see people are starting to float around. And first thing we do is we open the payload bay doors of the space shuttle because these are our radiators. And we have to have these doors open to be able to radiate the heat from our vehicle out into space so that we don't overheat the electronics or ourselves. This is a helmet pad floating there. We fired some rockets, and you see it as soon as those rockets lit off, that helmet pad came flying back. And these are these rockets on the back of the shuttle that are burning to circularize our